Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now there's a few viral videos going around about the best chocolate chip cookies ever. So today I'm gonna attempt one of those recipes. See if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
Let's start by combining the dry ingredients. I'll combine the sugars, mix well, then add the melted butter. Stir, stir, stir until well combined. In goes the eggs, then a bit more stirring. Let's add the dry ingredients and fold it in until the flour has disappeared. Now when I saw the video, it called for a lot more chocolate, but my family are not big fans of sweets. I'll now place the dough in the refrigerator to chill for 20 to 30 minutes. My pan is lined with parchment paper. I'll then place the cookie balls on the sheet and bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. The cookies are out of the oven and they smell heavenly. I'll top them off with some sea salt and they'll be ready to go. They're moist and chocolatey on the inside and they taste oh so good. Maybe these just are the best cookies ever. Give them a try and let me know if these are the best cookies ever. I'll make sure to have the recipe listed in the description box below, and I'll also tag the video so you can see it for yourself. If you have a cookie recipe and you think it's the best in the world, share it with me so that I can give it a try. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!